2022 Mclaren 720S was the crown jewel of McLaren. Now 765 LT, upgraded version of the 720S. This is still one of the baddest supercars on the road. This thing's got an insane amount of horsepower, fully aeroed out to take in max airflow from every which direction possible. You got vents to cool the brakes, you got vents to cool the radiators, you got vents to cool the engine, you got vents for fucking everything on this thing. And we're doing something crazy. We're running downpipes, exhaust, stage 2 tune. This thing will be blowing flames the size of fucking Nicaragua. McLaren 720S, all test fitted, slot down catback exhaust with an X pipe, got the downpipes in there. This thing's ready to go. We're putting this thing together as we speak. As you can see, full Lego build right here. The McLaren 720S is a little bit of a project, but no project is too big for G Exhaust. If you have a McLaren 720S, you hit us up. We're taking cars from around the country. We set up transport for you guys. If you're looking for a system like this guy just got quoted $20,000. We cut that price almost in half. We set him up with the same exact setup, stage 2, full downpipes, and a catback exhaust. We upgraded his tips for him, went with the black chrome to match with the rest of the accents on the car. And like I said, a stage 2 tune, which should make the car insane. We're talking about easily 850 horsepower, maybe even 900 horsepower, which this car didn't even weigh shit. So it's gonna be pretty fucking sick. I'm excited to hear what this thing sounds like. It's just gonna be a ripper. So just so you guys can see it, this is the X pipe, flex pipes on there for flexibility, stock hangers mounted up, equalization right there, and then like I said, the tips out the back. And yeah, man, not much else to say except for we're about to crank this thing, check for leaks, make sure no leaks are happening, because it's a project to take this thing apart. So yeah, like I said, full Lego build, 720S. We got a McLaren GT coming up next, just a catback. Customer just bought that car from McLaren Miami, or whatever the hell McLaren's at. His stock exhaust is trash, so we got him a new catback, which is very similar to this setup. This is pretty standard on all McLarens. X pipe in the middle for equalization, and then free flowing exhaust out the back. So stay tuned. We're about to crank this thing. Let me know what you think. We just finished the 720S McLaren, downpipes, full exhaust, stage 2 tune. The thing fucking rips. This thing is what you call scary fast. Let's go. Oh, this car drives awesome. Just finished the 720S. This thing's a fucking rocket ship. Probably one of the fastest cars we've ever worked on. And we've worked on some crazy fast cars. 1100 horsepower turbo S's, Hellcats with 1200 horsepower, some crazy fast shit. Turbo Honda, fucking 9 million horsepower in that motherfucker with a 2K series B58, badass. Anyways, McLaren 720S, catback installed, downpipes installed, stage 2 installed at G Exhaust. We're wrapping up my boy's Camaro real quick. Just slapped a quick Borla on the side. We're doing Borlas on one side, McLaren's on the other side. We got everything known to man when it comes down to exhaust, from catbacks, downpipes, headers. We even tune your supercar, man. So if you're looking for a system on a 720S, hit us up. I can't tell you the price online, but it's significantly cheaper than what anybody else is quoting you. Try me. Just call G. My number is 954-708-6039. One more time, 954-708-6039. We're in South Florida, right by the Hard Rock Hotel, Guitar, and Casino. So, like I said, this thing's ripping. It's got about 850 horsepower, could be pushing 9s, and the customer should be happy. This dude drove all the way from Key West to come see me in Davie, which is kind of nuts. So, like I said, if you got a 720S, 570S, 765 LT, Lamborghini Revolto, Aventador, Huracan, Gallardo, you fucking name it, we got you covered. We're sponsoring all the supercars in South Florida. If you can drive around with an exhaust, we'll sponsor you. That's it, that's the standard. And if you got a badass car, you worked your whole damn life to get this fucking car, you hit us up. We're here to reward you, man. We're discounting, sponsoring catback systems, tunes, downpipes, anything you need. Just hit us up, check pricing with me. I guarantee I'll beat whatever price you got out there. So, like I said, you got a 720S, just call G. We out.